The new Mumbai-Néروبی standard gauge railway, built by China, is running largely in parallel with the old one. The new railway drastically reduced the travel time and the costs of freight service. It emerged as the preferred choice for commuters, playing a pivotal role in stimulating commerce and empowering smaller towns along its corridor. The railway epitomizes the Belt and Road cooperation between China and Kenya.
I joined Afrista, the SGR operator, on January 9, 2021. I currently hold the position of Assistant Manager at SGR in the Locomotive and Rolling Stock Department. My daily responsibilities and tasks entail overseeing the smooth running of daily programs by the operations workshop team, ranging from running of trains operations, the continuous training and supervision of driving fraternity. What Kenya and maybe the larger African continent should do is develop own capacity. The SGR, I can say, is the largest project after independence in Kenya. We can now say it handles most of the imports and exports into and from Kenya and her neighbors. It's one of the largest contributors for the country. I think my work is very meaningful in that I guide the young team in this field.